In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio settings in Microsoft Teams. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Ensuring your audio settings are correctly configured can make a significant difference in your communication experience, eliminating unnecessary disruptions during meetings and calls. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by simply typing Microsoft Teams into your preferred search engine and clicking on their official link. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will prompt you to log in with your account. It's important to use the account associated with your work or organization for seamless access to all your channels and meetings. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Teams. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen next to your profile picture, where you'll see three dots. This menu, often referred to as the More Options menu, holds the key to many settings and customization options within Teams. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Among the list of options, you will see Settings. Click on this option and a new tab will open with various categories of settings available for you to modify. Now in the Settings menu, look for the Devices section. This section is crucial as it allows you to configure your audio input and output devices. Once in the Devices section, you'll see options for both speakers and microphone. Start by clicking on Speakers. Here you will find a drop-down menu listing all the audio output devices connected to your computer. If you have multiple speakers connected, you can select your preferred one. This selection ensures that all incoming audio during meetings plays through your chosen device. Next, let's move on to adjusting the microphone settings, which is just as vital for clear communication. Under the same Devices section, you'll find the Microphone option. Click on it, and a similar drop-down menu will appear, showcasing all the available input devices. Choose the microphone you prefer to use during calls. Whether it's an external microphone or your computer's built-in mic, selecting the right device ensures your voice comes through clearly on the other side. By following these simple steps, you can tailor your audio settings in Microsoft Teams to suit your needs. Whether you're attending a large webinar or a quick one-on-one chat, having the right audio setup enhances clarity and improves your overall experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy teamwork!